Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download competitor backlink profiles in Semrush, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Semrush website. Log in to your Semrush account. If you do not have an account, create one by following the registration process. On the Semrush dashboard, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Enter the domain name of your competitor whose backlink profile you wish to analyze. Press the Enter key or click the search icon to view the results. Once the results load, look for the Backlink Analytics section on the left sidebar. Click on Backlink Analytics to access detailed backlink information. You will be taken to the Backlink Analytics overview page for the entered domain. Here, you will see various metrics related to backlinks, including total backlinks, referring domains, and anchor texts. To download the backlink profile, find the Export button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the Export button to reveal export options. Choose your preferred file format, such as CSV or PDF. Select any additional parameters if prompted, such as specific data segments or filters. Click on the Final Export option to generate your report. Wait a moment while Semrush compiles the data. Once the process is complete, your file will be downloaded to your device. Open the downloaded file to review the competitor's backlink profile. You can now analyze the data to inform your own link building strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.